And we are back in Borneo's Charm Ethnic Food Hunting with me, Azura Zainal. Earlier on, you saw about the Orang Ulu, what we did a bit of fruit picking, and of course, most importantly, we played the sape. Understand what sape is about, the musical instrument, of course. Right now, it's time for us to find out what is the ethnic food of Orang Ulu. Right here with me is Victoria, who is also Matthew's wife. He's so pretty, so beautiful. But the thing is, you are not Orang Ulu, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's Bidayo, a different ethnic here in Sarawak. But of course, because you're married to Matthew, you've learned to kind of like assimilate to what Orang Ulu is about, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we are ready to cook. Okay, so what are we going to cook today? Earlier, you did mention to us that you wanted to teach us to make something really different. It's called sup kujau.
Sup kujau,
Yap
kampung.
Kampung.
Sekarang the first thing, saya dah standby dia punya bahan-bahan untuk masukkan dalam sup kita. Dah berbuih pun kan?
Ya, airnya sudah mendidih tadi.
Okey, kita letak, masukkan kita punya ayam. Kita dah masukkan ayamnya.
Okay.
Then kita masukkan dia punya
Bawang putih,
bawang putih,
merah,
bawang, liak, bucket, and then bawang merah, bawang putih.
Okay.
Okey, lepas tu kita masukkan kita punya lengau.
Now, it's so strong.
Just jangan lupa dia punya serai. Itu adalah dia punya kuasa.
Okay, Victoria, it looks like it's boiling already. Next up is for us to put salt.
Bau pun tu sudah.
Smells good. Now,
The last thing kita masuk dia punya usen.
usem.
Ya, usen.
Usem. Normally, what do you eat this with?
Biasalah kita makan pakai nasi.
Ya.
Biasanya terutama ada yang paling sedap nasi bungkus.
Oh,
Ya,
nasi bungkus yang dibungkus dengan daun tu.
ya, nasi bungkus dengan daun tu.
Alright, and the next Orang Ulu dish that we are going to prepare is called tong ubi.
Ya, the first thing kita potong. Kita potong dia bagus.
Iriskan ya.
Yes. Iriskan dia macam biasa.
Sedap.
Slow.
Yeah.
Jangan terlalu besar, sedang-sedang. And then kita masukkan, kita akan gaulkan dekat sini.
Okay.
Jangan lupa kita ketuk ini.
Betulkan.
Ya.
Sampai hancur ke?
Tak perlu hancur. Ya. Slow. Biasa kita ni memang ketuk guna khas untuk apa? Khas ketuk daun ubi tu. Orang kampung tu.
Okay.
Oh, mau jalan. Okay.
Dari sini ya. Okay, is that okay?
Alright.
Boleh ya?
Ya, boleh. And then, ni kita masuk sini, kita akan gaulkan.
Okay.
Okay, kita akan masukkan.
Alright.
Masukkan kita punya. Ini dia terung.
Ulem. Once again, we mix it all up.
Okay, kita akan mix. Jangan lupa kita punya bawang. And then kita akan masukkan dia punya minyak. Okay, kita terus masukkan. Alright. Kita masukkan.
And after all that havoc in the kitchen, we finally have our dishes ready. Okay, so the first dish we made was sup kujau yap kampung. Okay, can we open that? Show everybody. Yeah, it's beautiful and it smells smells so nice.
Ngau lah.
Ngau ah.
Ngau. Ya.
Ngau is the Dayak. Dayak, Turung Dayak. And then we have Tong Ubi.
Tomobi.
And I have to say that the preparation to make this, it doesn't take a long time, and to even make it, it's so easy. You don't need to fry anything, you just dump everything into the pot, steam it, boil it, and you're done. Okay, kita makan ni dengan nasi.
Nasi dia.
Okay. Cukup ah? Okay. Very important is if you
Nasi
can
mesti ada
find.
nasi. Cuma nak makan lauk saja.
Ya, betul.
Sup, tolong bagi sup itu.
Okay.
So if ever you're in Sarawak, if you can find this wrapped rice, it's the best, okay? Because after a few minutes or after an hour it being wrapped in this leaf, it gives a different taste to it. Soup is good, and I can see that you can eat it every single day, and it's good for babies as well. And what I've learned from this is that you don't have to buy any of the spices. You can just use your onion, and all these little things, and just throw it in. As Matthew would say, soup terjun. Very easy to make. Okay, so let me try this Terung Dayak ni.
Okay, terus langau ya. Langau.
It's nice. It's not as soft as your normal eggplant.
Yeah.
But I think it's also the amount of the time you cook in it, right? So if you cook it longer, of course it becomes softer. Now it's a bit crunchy, and it's a perfect combination when you eat it with the chicken and the rice as well. Okay, so now we shall have the
Yeah.
Tong ubi. Ya. Tong ubi. Ya. Tumbuk campur dengan ada saja nasi.
This is it. I mean, what? This is life to me. I think, you have this kind of setting. You have your dinner or your lunch. I mean, it's sup kujau, yak kampung, and of course tong ubi. You don't need anything else. It's like comfort food, and it's really, really tasty. So I've done the food, I've done the music with Matthew, I've explored and understand a bit further about Orang Ulu. Thank you Matthew, terima kasih kerana sudi saya berada di sini untuk mempelajari dengan lebih mendalam lagi tentang Orang Ulu.
Terima kasih banyak-banyak kerana datang ke rumah Orang Ulu dan menikmati makanan Orang Ulu yang simple tapi
Berkhasiat.
berkhasiat.
Simple but good. I'm going to finish this off, so I want to invite you as we move on to the next episode next time in Borneo's Charm Ethnic Food Hunting. Make sure you join me, Azura, and which ethnic are we going to discover next? Well, for you to know, you just have to join me. So I'll see you in the next episode, and bon appetit.